Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And if you're new here, let me welcome you to the channel for the very first time. My name is Courtney and I love decorating, DIYs, thrifting, shopping, honey, the whole lifestyle. So if you enjoy that type of content, you have reached the right channel. Welcome to TABLESCAPE Tuesdays, hosted by the ladies of Elegance, which are the Grace Life DIY home decor, and myself, Amethyst Adventures. Links to both our channels as well as the playlist will be in my description box below. So today I'm putting together a beautiful fall tablescape on my patio. So sit back, relax, grab your favorite drink, and enjoy while I finish putting this tablescape together. And I'll meet you at the end to tell you all about it. This portion of today's video is sponsored by BeeKind. BeeKind's jewelry brand was created with the mission to help protect bee colonies around the world. And 10% of each purchase is donated to the Pollinator Partnership and other nonprofit organizations. So not only are you getting beautiful jewelry, you're also helping to save bee colonies around the world. BeeKind has authorized me to offer you a 20% off discount for any of their products simply by using my discount code Amethyst20. A link to their site as well as the discount code will be in my description box below. So today I'm going to be showing you the spinning sunflower ring, and it has a little spinner on the front. How cute is that? The matching spinning sunflower necklace and the honeycomb ring. All beautiful, high quality, very nice jewelry, and I'm sure you would not be disappointed. So be kind and check out their beautiful selections using my discount code and their link in my description box below. Now, if you're enjoying today's video, please be sure to give me a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. So for this beautiful tablescape, most of the items that I've used here are thrifted, or I had them on hand already. These beautiful florals in the vase, honey, $7 at the flea market. Now, you know you could not beat that deal with a bag. The candle holders are little votive holders which I flipped upside down and placed pillar candles on. All of the dinnerware is thrifted, as well as the rust-colored napkins. The runner is a thrifted curtain valance. And these beautiful sparkly burgundy placemats I picked up at Home Goods this year. My pumpkins and this gold decor piece are both DIYs. And there we have it, a beautiful seasonal colored tablescape for you to enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for supporting Tablescape Tuesdays 22, our weekly open playlist hosted by the Ladies of Elegance. I'd also like to give a big shout out to all of my new subscribers. Welcome to the channel. I am so happy to have you. And all of my subscribers who have rode with me since the very beginning, I thank you all. Mwah! And until next time.